Yo, what's up, everyone? Tax season, you either love it or hate it. We're talking about delays, penalties, and leaving money on the table that's rightfully yours. In this video, we're diving deep into the most common tax mistakes people make, and trust me, you don't want to be one of them. Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid these pitfalls and keep more of your hard-earned cash where it belongs, in your pocket. In this video, we're covering the most common tax mistakes people make and how you can avoid them. First up is a mistake I see people making all the time, choosing the wrong filing status. This one little box on your tax form can make a huge difference in how much you owe or how much you get back. Are you single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or a qualifying widow ER? Each status comes with its own set of rules and benefits. For example, if you're unmarried but the primary caregiver for your child, you could qualify for the head of household status, which typically comes with a lower tax rate and a larger standard deduction. The IRS website has a handy tool called the Interactive Tax Assistant that can help you determine your correct filing status. Next up is a mistake that makes me cringe: missing out on valuable deductions and credits. This is like leaving free money on the table. There are so many deductions and credits out there, and it's easy to overlook them if you don't know what you're doing. We're talking about everything from deductions for student loan interest and medical expenses to credits for education and childcare. This is where a tax professional can be your new best friend. They live and breathe this stuff, and they can help you uncover every single deduction and credit you're eligible for. Even if you're using tax software, it's still a good idea to have a professional give your return a once-over. Remember, every dollar you save on taxes is a dollar you can use to invest, pay off debt, or achieve your financial goals faster. Alright, moving on to mistake number 3, and this one is a biggie: incorrect or missing information on your tax return. Even a tiny mistake, like a typo in your social security number or forgetting to report some income, can have major consequences. It can delay your refund, trigger an audit, or even worse, result in penalties. So what's the solution? Simple: double-check everything. Seriously, go over your return with a fine-tooth comb. Make sure all your personal information is accurate, all your income is reported, and all your deductions and credits are claimed correctly. Having everything organized and easily accessible will make tax time so much smoother and less stressful. Let's talk about mistake number 4, filing your taxes late. Filing late can lead to late fees, interest charges, and even penalties that can eat away at your hard-earned money. The IRS gives you plenty of time to get your taxes done, and if you can't meet the deadline, you can always file for an extension. Filing an extension gives you an extra 6 months to file your return. But remember, it doesn't give you more time to pay any taxes you owe. Mark the tax deadline on your calendar and set reminders for yourself. Block out some time in your schedule a few weeks before the deadline to start working on your taxes. Finally, let's talk about mistake number 5, not using a tax professional. While tax software can be helpful, it's no substitute for the knowledge and experience of a qualified tax professional. A tax professional can help you navigate the complexities of the tax code, identify potential tax savings you might have missed, and ensure your return is filed correctly. They can also represent you before the IRS if you're ever audited, which can save you a lot of stress and hassle. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed by taxes or you're not confident in your ability to file your return accurately, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. There you have it, folks. The top 5 tax mistakes to avoid. By understanding these common pitfalls and taking the necessary steps to avoid them, you can save yourself a lot of time, money, and stress. The more you know about the tax code and how it applies to your unique situation, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions that benefit your bottom line. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tax tips to help you keep more of your hard-earned money.